Ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya mentak sinokong kala pelaj Paidbah ya ka manifesto jong ke election MDC ha KHADC bat JHADC ka bansalong ha ka arpoi terik urempang kat kum ka manifesto bela pelaj du presiden ka parti Recruitment ji momen ka parti kala kular belada ka wan ha ka bor kan penyo no da ka tulop ikli nong sensyar kentup ki sordar bat kirang basnong kala kular ru mansam jing rapisa arhajar shibenai ki balasngi kum kinong trekenta nongnya taksi bakhlal lok kilong kemi bakrshan dalade ka pentrekam da kidor barsnong ka BJP kala kularu bakarwanra ya ka rukom thungkam ka bakhoi hapok ke district council lembat kiwe kimat kular
of BJP for KHADC and JHADC Fall 2025. Number one, monthly honorarium to empower the traditional heads like Siam Dolai, Sodar, and Rangbasnong. Number two, financial assistance of 2,000 per month to registered local domestic workers, taxi drivers, widows, single mother, and laborers facilitated by the Rangbasnong through the center. Due to loss incurred from illegal mining, revenue of all three district councils have decreased. BJP will ensure the mining is regulated and implemented within 6 months as per as Supreme Court order to ensure financial stability to all district councils. Vocal for local will be the mantra for promotion of tourism, showcasing, and craft and culture of the state. Strengthening traditional healing practice with the help of Ayush Ministry. Constitution of Central Monitoring Body for central schemes with redressal mechanism. District Council to create a cell or department for purpose of investment for trade and business for the educated unemployed youth of the rural areas in collaboration with Siems, Doloi, Sadar, and Rangbasnong. Expedite the matter pending at the ministry with regard to increase in the number of members, including nominated members, within 6 months, with the amendment and increase of number of members to 40, out of which 5 will be nominated. The party will propose that one of the nominated members will be the same, that is for KHADC and Doloi for JHADC. Scientific disposal of solid waste at same seat or Doloi seat jurisdiction to be administered by local bodies with complete assistance from the council. Introduced a transparent recruitment policy for all recruitment in the district council.
Well, how?
So it will be an election agenda. It will be raised in the campaign.
Yes, illegal mining too, we will do it. But right now there is no reported at all to us as a party. But we heard from verbal speaking from the people.
So will you make it an election agenda during your?
Yes, if there is.
No, since you have heard from others verbally.
Yeah.
So will you take?
Yeah, we will be forming a fact-finding committee according to that, like we are doing it.
So another thing is that there is no accountability in the councils. There are no regular audits. Once in a while, CAG audits. So will you be asking for a regular auditing of district council funds and the developmental schemes? Where are they reaching?
When we are in power, we will do it.
Since you are not even telling us how many you are expecting, so do you expect that BJP will be in power in district council?
I think so. because we have a number, 14 numbers, 14 members we have already given. So we are confident on our candidate to win. We are not just giving as a candidate, but to win,
Do you
to
see?
work for the people.
Do you see single party forming an EC, or will it be multi-party forming EC?
Of course, single party too, it's not possible, but like-minded people will support us.
You are supporting the NPP-led government. Don't you think that this will also affect?
See, I'm not who can predict how many seats.
But
No
how
one
many
can predict. But
expecting?
we have given a potential candidates for this coming election.
But how many are you expecting?
So from Giantia Hills, 5 we have already given. It's up to God and the public who cast their vote for our development.
And from Khasi Hills,
Khasi Hills also same thing.
but how many are you expecting? At least expectation will be there, right?
No, I will not say expecting, because we expect and we give the candidate. If it is God's wish that let all the candidate wins, né?
But
How many candidates?
We have given 14.
Are there any more names or
And there is no more now.
this is
We
the
have
final
complete,
list?
we have given the finalists.
So coming back to the manifesto, you are saying about mining resumption. NPP is already taking up, NPP government is taking up with the government. So what difference it is making?
We have our own ideology. We are going with that only.
But what are you doing illegal mining? There are a lot of cases of illegal mining. You are not talking about it.
No, we will take it up.
So-
We will take it up.
do you think that illegal mining is going